Can the coefficient of performance reveal heating efficiency limits? Imagine trying to heat your home with the least energy possible. How do we know how close our heating systems are to their maximum potential? That's where the coefficient of performance comes into play. The coefficient of performance, or COP, measures how efficiently a heating system converts energy into heat. If a heat pump has a high COP, it means it produces more heat for each unit of energy it consumes. But does this number tell us how good a system can possibly get? In thermodynamics, the science behind energy and heat transfer, the COP can actually reveal the maximum efficiency a system can reach. This maximum is called the Carnot coefficient of performance. It depends on the temperatures involved in the process. For heating, it considers the temperature of the hot space we want to heat and the cold source providing the heat. The formula is simple. The maximum COP equals the temperature of the hot space divided by the difference between the hot space temperature and the cold source temperature, both measured in Kelvin. This means if the difference between these two temperatures is small, the maximum COP can be very high. But if the temperature gap is large, the maximum possible COP drops. So, the bigger the difference, the less efficient the system can become, no matter how advanced the technology. Real systems, however, never reach this ideal because of unavoidable losses like friction, imperfect insulation, and non-ideal components. Still, the COP gives us a benchmark to see how close a real system is to its thermodynamic limit. There is also a seasonal version called the seasonal coefficient of performance. It averages the efficiency over an entire heating season, considering changing outdoor temperatures. This helps us understand how well a system performs in real-world conditions. Knowing the limits set by the Carnot COP helps engineers design better systems. For example, using higher temperature sources or better working fluids can push the COP closer to its maximum. In the end, the coefficient of performance not only shows how efficient a heating system is today, but also highlights the fundamental limits set by the laws of thermodynamics. This makes it a powerful tool to compare different systems and guide improvements. So, yes, the COP can reveal the ultimate heating efficiency limits, helping us understand what's possible and what's not in energy use.